Run. Run. To move quickly with your legs. Example. The boy can run very fast. Jump. Jump. To push yourself off the ground into the air. Example. She can jump high. Walk. Walk. To move slowly with your legs. Example. They walk to school every morning. Eat. Eat. To put food in your mouth and chew it. Example. I eat an apple every day. Drink. Drink. To take liquid into your mouth. Example. He drinks water after football. Sleep. Sleep. To rest your body and mind with eyes closed. Example. The baby sleeps in the bed. Sit. Sit. To rest on a chair or the ground. Example. Please sit on the chair. Stand. Stand. To be on your feet. Example. The students stand in a line. Write. Write. To form letters or words with a pen or pencil. Example. She writes a letter to her friend. Read. Read. To look at and understand written words. Example. I read a book every night. Play. Play. To do fun activities or games. Example. The children play football in the yard. Sing. Sing. To make music with your voice. Example. She sings a nice song. Dance. Dance. To move your body with music. Example. They dance at the party. Talk. Talk. To say words to someone. Example. We talk on the phone every day. Listen. Listen. To pay attention to sounds or speech. Example. The students listen to the teacher. Open. Open. To move something so it is not closed. Example. Please open the window. Close. Close. To move something so it is shut. Example. Close the door before you leave. Wash. Wash. To clean something with water. Example. She washes her hands before eating. Cook. Cook. To prepare food with heat. Example. My mother cooks rice for dinner. Drive. Drive. To control a car or vehicle. Example. He drives to work every morning. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video.